We have one more song tonight.
No!
One more song.
No!
One more song! One more! Just one more song.
2 more!
I can play one of these twice. Again. I can play another one twice again. Just pick it off the sheet of the 8 songs that are here. Thank you guys for not leaving after we started playing. That's pretty fucking awesome. Among the Enemy is up. Water Buffalo's up next. We have stickers. They have shirts. I see CDs. They look autographed up here. So come get some stickers. Come hang out. I'm Steven. That's Frank on bass. That's Casey on drums. Really okay, great. This song's called Hear the Noise. A passenger, never seen in control of anything. Defeated now, it's happening again. He shuts down, all he needs is just one win. 'Cause he knows there'll be the end as long as you stay away from hearing the noise. As he comes, so the world can hear it now. Whoa, whoa, don't count him out. Whoa, whoa, he has been out. Misunderstood, the chances to explain. A passerby, seeking shelter from without and from within. Defeated now, she can't even pretend. She shuts